Tonight, a message from Knox County's health department urging vaccinations before your children head back to school.
People need to know that they need to get them now because there's going to be long lines for many pediatricians' offices and here at the health department as well. Please, please, please vaccinate your kids.
Health leaders are reminding us of the list of required vaccines before students do head back to school.
10 News reporter Mary Klingler shows us the changes parents need to know about. Mary?
Yeah, Robin, John, state law says if you don't have an exemption, you can't go back to school unless you are vaccinated. Now, the Knox County Health Department is preparing to vaccinate thousands of people in the coming weeks, and how you can get your child vaccinated is going to change.
They do need to be in person giving consent this year.
Back in April, lawmakers passed a bill prohibiting health care providers from vaccinating anyone under 18 without informed consent from a parent or legal guardian.
Many pediatricians' offices and our office are working on ways to make it smoother for parents to get that done.
Knox County Public Health Officer Dr. Megan Edwards says that means finding ways to allow consent over the phone or through an electronic system.
But many times that's going to have to be in person.
The new law requires health care providers to keep those records in your child's medical files. If healthcare providers violate this law, they could lose their license. Students cannot return to school without getting the required vaccines unless they have a state-approved religious or medical vaccine exemption.
Some parents don't have any problem with it. Others, ask if it's a requirement. And so we tell them that it is a state law, but we also accept exemption forms.
Anderson County school nurse Melissa Davis says more and more students are turning in exemption forms each year.
I have seen more in the past couple of years than previous years.
Both Knox and Anderson counties report an increasing number of student vaccine exemption forms.
I am concerned with increasing numbers of waivers that you're hearing about from the school systems. We definitely encourage parents to get their kids vaccinated.
The Knox County Health Department says a certain percentage of kids must be vaccinated to prevent an outbreak.
There's always a threshold, and so for things like measles, it's about 85%. So I need 85% of the kids vaccinated to prevent a measles outbreak.
Now, Anderson County nurses say they offer a 2-week grace period to get vaccinations taken care of when school starts. Knox County must have all immunizations by the first day of school, so make sure your students are ready for that. And if you don't have insurance, don't worry. Vaccines are available for free to all children. Just visit your local health department. John, Robin.
All right, Mary Klingler, thank you.